Okay. Ayun. Okay. Okay, final game for the day po tayo yun. Now, this time around now, of course, Team Hub. Playing white po yan, of course. Yung against po, yan po yung State University Colors or Marooners. Yan po ang cabin line. Idol. Rep King, kayang no? Okay, final game for the day po tayo. This time around po, ito pa, the Hub versus Cabin Line. And of course, bukas po, meron po tayong first po natin po, Cast versus Freighters. And of course, Boleros versus Mechanicos. Okay, final game po tayo, the Marooners po tayo versus White. Team Marooners po, yan po ang Cabin Line versus Team White Blue combination. Yan po ang The Hub. Eto na tayo. And now, tapos. And now, it's Eusebio. Eusebio number 1. Eusebio San Miguel. Eto naman, Kalimlim. Pops up 2 points. Binababambo lang yun. Of course, ito na. On the attack po ang Cabin Line. Cabin Line. That's Tankyang goal. Pops up Garcia. In and out. Rebound battle won by the Hub. No, it's Colanto. Colanto. Number 14. Number 14. Cabin Line. Ito na. 26. Cabin Line again. Banlangit. Banlangit. Pops up. Garcia 2 points. Garcia 2 points. Colanto intercepted to Pilao. Pilao for 3. Bang bang. 3 points Pilao. Oh, balak yata no. Balak ka na hamunin yung yung record ngayon. Same day Tianggol. Tianggol. Muntik na. Okay, ano mo natin ito This is your aviation friendly doubles at Flying League. First of all, we'd like to thank the following sponsors, Team LBC and Thread the Needle. Sandiyo po ang SBB ARA and PSB Basketball League. Ito ba ating pag-participate ni Principal sa ating season number 5. The Hub, Oryx, Cabin Line, Boleros, Airport United, CAS In-Flight, Mechanical Sky Team, Freighters at QR Towers. Welcome po sa ating elimination. Now, final game for the day po. Beating Cabin Line versus The Hub. Pops up, wala. San Miguel, binababa ang bola. San Miguel. And to Pilao, Pilao ayaw. Kalimlim, 2 points. Kalimlim, 2 points. Manlangit. Manlangit driving strong. Nope, ayaw. Nandun intercepted. Colanto, 2 points. Colanto, 2 points. And Cerda. Pops up. Pilao, Palpal. Good ball. 10 seconds remaining. The shot clock. Sherita. San Miguel. Palpal. Fermi foul. Wag ka nang sumenyas. Baka maano ka. Ma-technical ka, boy. Manlangit, San Miguel. Ibang may pinagsabahan tala pag may San Miguel. Okay, San Miguel. Wala. Rebound. Garcia. Manlangit. Tianggol. Manlangit. Walang pinasahan si Manlangit. Rebound. Oy! Hellball situation. Okay, Hub. Okay, cabin line ball. White ball. San Miguel, foul! Garcia, pinal po si San Miguel.
Foul number 6.
First shot, San Miguel pasok. I believe the Lord waiting for you. Balik tayo. Ayan na naman siya. Ayan naman. And to Manlangit. Wala. Rebound battle won by Good Ball. Tianggol. Wala. Rebound battle won by, of course, yan na, Serida. Hindi na kontrol ng bola. Kalimlim. Pilaw na naman, nakanaw. Pilaw na naman. On the attack. Uy! Foul! Offensive foul, sorry. Sayang.
Foul number 30.
Okay, change 5 na po tayo. Change 5. Waiting for you. I believe the one. Nope. Garcia. Hub 16, Garcia. Del Padua. Nako, tumuli palabas. Of course, nandiyan po pala si Dimac, si Tirona, nandiyan po si De Padua at si Najib. Kabilang po si Kahayon, Simbulas, 88, number 10, at si De Guzman, number 30. Next, no good. Pops up. Bang! That's Kahayon. Kahayon, 2 points. Mab, Valdez is watching. Oy, Mab, ba't wala ka dito? And Najib, Tirona, creating space, no good. One more time, Tirona, 2 points. 2 points, Tirona. De Guzman. Pops up. Bangs it in. Back-to-back field goals now. 3-point field goals by team cabin line. Dimac. D-Mac muli. Si D-Mac naman. D-Mac. D-Mac. No, it's Tirona. Uy! Tama na ang bola. Pops up the beat. Bangs it in. And a timeout call by Team Hub. Idol. Thank God. Okay, 12:30 na po tayo ngayon. Back-to-back field goals by the Cabin line. Kaya umuusap po ulit sila po ng isang kalamangan. 12-13 at 3:12 remaining first quarter action. Balik tayo ngayon sa laro. D-Mac kay number 16. Najib scaling the defense. Nakalusot. Foul!
Foul number 10.
Adol. Back-to-back field goals po tayo ngayon. D-Mac, strike away. Okay, balik muli po sa kabina ng bola, sa kabina. Nice one, David. Again! Digisman, 2 points. Lamang na po ng 4 ang team. Oy! Journey na, hindi na travel. Journey po tawag po niya. Journey na tawag. Journey. Foul 28 de Padua. Balik muli po tayo ngayon. Okay, Hoy, muntik na. David, number 10. Isang sniper din. David, number 10. Pops up, palpal. Still completed. Tirona. D-Mac, Tirona. 2 points, Tirona.
Okay, pakinggan ko muna yung highlights.
Ayun, ayun po, ayun. Oh! 3-second violation. Kick pass, eto na, D-Mac. D-Mac. Wala, down. Down.
Foul number 30.
Number 30, Mr. Di Guzman called for a foul. And of course, si Mr. D-Mac. Garcia, D-Mac, Garcia. Tirona. Najib. Oy, mitik ka.
Who's foul, eh? Foul number 88.
Number 88, Revilla.
Second personal foul.
Najib this year. Number 14, first shot. Wala. Still completed. Oy, wala na. Okay, first quarters ended just now. The score is 16-18. Coming up next po is the second quarter action. Ito po ang Aviation Fan Doubles Flying League. You're watching right now the final game for the Friday edition between Hub and Cabin Line.
Defense, white.
And 12. Yan, okay. Tanggol, sorry. Tanggol to number 0. Number 0, Barrientos. Tanggol, number 7. David, nakuha ng pick. Tanggol. Hindi po. Pumasok si number 0. David na naman. David, pops number 3. Nope. Rebound battle won by the Hub. Pilaw for 3. Bang! Pangalawa. Pilaw, 6 pa, Pilaw. 6 pa. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Ito na. David, number 10. Tanggol. Ringero, wala. Rebound battle won by. Ayan na. Binato agad. Wala ko. Pilaw. Uy! Nasa loob. And David pops up. Clutch shooting. No good. Rebound. The maroon shirts. Wala pa rin. Rebound yun. Tan. San Miguel. Ferrer. 2 points. Hoy! Offensive foul. Langhawi ka, boss. Nanangawan. Hoy! Foul called. Jolens, wala. Pop. Hellball situation po tayo. White ball. Ayan na, Pilaw for 3 again. Bang! Pilaw, 5 pa. Pilaw, 5 pa. Pilaw, 5 pa. Kung kaya mo. Binibila ko nga eh. Joke lang. Pops up, wala. Eto na naman si Pilaw. Pilaw na naman. Pilaw, ayun. De Padua, 2 points. Sorry pala, yan. Si Tan pala, si Tan, sorry. Nakalabas pala si De Padua. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Number 7. Tanggol. Nope, it's David. Pops up. 2 points. 2 points, David. David, 2 points. The score is 26-20. Langmang na po ng 6 ang The Hub. At 6:37 remaining. Second quarter action. Again. Oy! 3 seconds. Violation ka, boss. And a timeout called by Team Hub. The score is 26-20. difference of 2 squares to pwede. 9 plus 3, 9 minus 3. Yan ang sagot niyan. 9 plus 3, 9 minus 3. So, pwede rin 9. Factor out natin 9. 9 minus 9 minus 1. Uy! 2 points. 2 points, number 84 ng cabin line. 6:30 remaining, second quarter action. San Miguel. Oy! Down. Blocking foul called. Illegal pick, sorry. It's illegal pick po, illegal pick. Offensive foul call and hub, illegal pick po. Tanggol. 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 Nope. It's still completed. Pop. Kalimlim. Pilaw. Kalimlim. Kalimlim. Naipit. Aray. Number 0, Barretos called for the foul at 5:47 remaining. Second quarter action. Ayun, ang ganda. Ferrer. Nope. Hindi nakuha. Binatukan ang bola. Ito na. Touchdown. 2 points. Tanggol, 2 points. Ferrer.
24, 26.
Tan. Still completed. Ito naman siya, Arroyo. To David. David naman. David for 3. Ayaw. Ayun, tanggol. 2 points. Change 5 po tayo at 5:09 remaining. Second quarter action pa lang po tayo sa ating final game of the day. Balik po tayo ngayon, 26 all po tayo. 5 minutes remaining. D-Mac kulangan, nakalusot. D-Mac, Novitz Corona. Wala, lumusot. And nako, hindi na control ni Mike. Hindi na control ni Guzman ang bola. Cerda. Eusebio. Najib, pops up. Muntik pa.
Ball number 18. First personal foul.
Both basket made by Nasir. Nasir, both basket made po tayo.
26,
Naloko na. Tapos, ayun lang. Foul. Ayun lang.
ball number 29.
Garcia shooting for 2. Wala. Both basket not made. De Guzman, pops up. Wala. Rebound, battle won by Cerda. Nando si Bersola. Nando si Cerda. Kick pass kay D-Mac. D-Mac kulangan. Easy to. Simbulas. Malakas. Najib nagmamadali. San Miguel. Najib. Mataas ang pasa. Sayang. Simbulas. Simbulas. Running shot. 2 points. D-Mac. Di makulangan. Umatake. Wala. Isa pa daw. D-Mac. Wala pa rin. Pero meron. 2 points. Out of bounds. White ball. Uy, wala. Isa ba? Tirona. And one play. Take 2. 2 points counted po. Tirona for the bonus shot. Palabo na. Ayan. Malabo na.
Second personal foul.
Basket made. Tirona.
34-28.
34-28 po tayo. Second quarter still drawing to a close already. And Simbulas pops up. Wala. Rebound. Oy, may foul call. May foul ka ng boss.
Una. Langan na po.
Di ba kulangan? 100. Dinadrive ang bola. Oy! Foul called. Eusebio shooting for 2.
Number 16.
16. Wala. Rebound. D-Mac. Wala rin. Tirona. Wala. Timeout called by Cabin Line.
Number 26. First personal foul. One minute and 41.
Tirona shooting for 2. D-Mac naka-rebound. D-Mac na naman. Muntik lang.
All number 30.
Palpal. Out of bounds.
One minute and 11.
Basket made.
30-36.
Tirona. Cerda.
46.
Cerda. Malakas.
48 seconds.
Pops up. No good. Rebound. Binato agad. Eusebio to you. Division na-stop siya. Na-jib. D-Mac. Foul called.
All number 88. Penalty. Second personal foul.
Second shot. No good. Rebound by David.
22 seconds.
Eto na. Kahain rather.
14 seconds.
Simbulas. Pops up. In and out. Eusebio. Nawala ang bola. Wala na. Lilipat ako sa kabila. Maglulubat na kasi ako.
Back to the ball game.
Turn around.
Hey tayo, hey.
Okay, A daw po tayo. A daw po. A. Paano lang ah.
Foul number 16.
Second, lubat ako.
16. First personal foul.
Okay. Yan. David, second shot, 2 points. Good. Good po tayo, good. Goods na goods. Minapa po ngayon bola ngayon po. Ito ngayon tayo. Nandun, nanakawan, still completed. Ito na naman siya, Tianggol. 2 points, Tianggol. De Padua. Again, double team again. Same tactic. David, wala. And now, D-Mac, hinahabol ang bola. Kick pass kay Kalimlim. Foul called. Take two.
Who's foul?
Two
Foul number
foul
2.
kay Kalimlim.
First personal foul.
Kalimlim. First shot. Pasok. Second shot, Kalimlim. Jumpers ready po tayo. Init. Grabe. Kalimlim, second shot. No good. Rebound. Manlangit against Pilao to Mr. Arroyo. Arroyo, binababa ang bola. David for 3. Bang! Bakit na yan, pre? Bakit na yan, David? Oh.
14 foul. Copy.
Number 14 called for the foul. D-Mac again. Ha? Tatlo rin. Tatlo sinipilaw. Nawala na naman.
Time out, Teo.
Nice! Uy! Hindi na. Time out to. Time out. Okay, di po nagugusto na po nangyari po ngayon po sa The Hub. Ano po score po natin, sir?
37 all.
All 37. Wala pong gulamang. Wala pong labis. Walang kulang. Third quarter action now on the way. Okay, mukha kinukuha po ng bark yata ng cabin line. Nakalinya na ngayon ang cabin line. Okay, back to the ball game muli po. Back to the ball game muli po tayo ngayon. Back to the ball game. Balik po tayo po sa ating laro ngayon. Ang liga naman sikat. Ang liga naman lumilipat. A Major Friendly League, Doubles of Flying League. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. Cabin line for the inbound. Ayun sa ilalim. 2 points. What a cut by number 16. Binatuhan ang bola. De Padua. Tan, sorry. Tan, 2 points. Tan, 2 points. Ayan na. De Padua, binabantayan. Tan, Ratter, Tan. Nandun. Tanggol. Tanggol, triple team. Quadruple team. Wala. Binatuhan kay D-Mac. 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 Muntik pa. Number 10. The 10 called for the foul. Pushing foul called on number 10.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul po yan po. Second personal foul po yan. Ni Mr. David, number 10. Di makulangan shooting for 2. Di makulangan shooting for 2. Pasok. Second shot. Di makulangan. Jumper shot. Di po tayo. Second shot. Pasok pareho. Score right now is
41.
41.
39.
39. And muntik na. Again, D-Mac on the attack. Uy! 2 points, D-Mac. D-Mac again. Ayun. Arroyo sa ilalim. Pasok sana. Hindi po. Okay. Missed the shot. Tan. Malakas. Ayun nga lang. Sub daw. Okay, sub muna po. Sino po papasok mga boss? Of course, si Di Guzman para kay Monlangit. Si Robila para kanino? Arroyo. Di Guzman. And naman, Robila. Nanakawan. Hop. Kickball. Sinipa ang bola. Kickball. Okay, binabangoy po na ba? Di makulangan ng bola. Di makulangan. Bring down the ball already now. And of course, hindi po tayo ngayon. Si Mr. De Padua, King Gitwinovich Stan. Oy! Ang sakit doon. Traveling ka doon, boss. And of course, substitution now. Pilao in para kay D-Mac. Pahinga mo rin si D-Mac. Of course, si Ferrer para kay Mr. Tan. David nagmamadali. David for 3. Nope. Ayun, sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. Rebound battle won by Tirona. Tirona, binato kagad kay Pilaw ang bola. Pilaw! Oy! Muntik lang. Holding foul. Pilaw, shooting for 2.
Fourth personal foul by number 30.
Fourth personal foul, De Guzman, warning for graduate.
Fourth
First shot,
personal
no good.
foul.
Second shot, Pilaw, number 18.
Sige, pag pumasok, pwede ka pumasok. Pag pumasok, friends.
Pops up, Pilaw. Pasok. Okay.
Ah!
Sab. That's number 13. Papasok muna para kanino? Para kay number 7 kay San Miguel. Breaking the rules. Danny do 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 do. Hoy! Foul.
Who's foul? Foul number 30.
Number 13 called for the foul. That's Seror.
Second personal foul.
Second personal pa lang po ni Seror nga. Now, De Guzman. Uy! And to pa, palpal na naman.
Pero di ko
Same
lang.
block. Ayun na. Ayun! De Padua. 2 points. And a timeout called by... Timeout called by the cabin line. The score right now is
46-39.
46-39 in favor of the Hub. Nasa kabila na po ako along with the community table kay Mr. Melvin dahil siya ko po nagka-charge po. Nagka-charge po ngayon. Kinakailangan ko mag-charge na.
5 minutes and 9 seconds.
5 minutes and 9 seconds remaining po sa ating third quarter action.
Grabe yung
Grabe, grabe. Mukhang gaabuti tayo ng hating gabi rito, boss. Walang volleyball, all you want. Basketball, all you want. Tanggol, binamadre. Ayan na, Mr. David, ayun, Arroyo, palpal na naman by De Padua, kick pass to Pilaw, nagmamadali. Ayun nga, si Mr. Seror, wala.
Nagkakagawan sila.
De Padua, power move, 2 points, De Padua. Ayun lang, Arroyo na nakawan din De Padua. Si Daisy. Stepping on the line on De Padua. Nasa yun?
Ha?
Ako magana.
Ay, commentator.
Okay,
Yes, sige.
De Padua stepping on the line.
Ano yung sinasabi ko?
Okay, ito po tayo ngayon, Kalimlim. Number 30 inbounding. David, number 10. David against Pilaw. Pops up, 40 seconds to shoot, no good. And rebound battle won by De Padua. Habol Pilaw to De Guzman. Pilaw. Si Daisy, traveling violation called on Kalimlim, traveling violation. Shout out boss kay Brian Dwight. And De Guzman running around. David na naman. Wala. Pops up. No good. Binato kagad. Nandun si Tanggol. Hindi naman si Boko Pumintal to, no? Tanggol now, of course. Oy! Oh!
5 fouls.
Number 30, De Guzman.
5 fouls.
5 personal fouls. Graduate.
Stop.
Substitution na Manlangit 4, of course. De Guzman. Okay, balik muli po tayo.
Kasi sir, dali. Para maliwanagan kasi
May record po tayo. Ayan.
First quarter, second
D-Mac,
quarter.
number 10. Kick pass kagad kay Pilaw. Nasir Najib. Power move. Wala. No good. Okay, balik muli po sa cabin line. Mamunis po ang bola. No foul. Okay, manlangit, tinito mo ng bola. And of course, si Tanggol. Tanggol, ang tagapagtanggol si Tanggol. Nando si Najib. Najib, nagmamadali. Najib. Uy, kapos. Wala pa rin. Rebound battle, won by the Hub. Bumibang yata. Hindi.
Malambot yung
Tuhod. Ako. Okay, balik ulit po tayo. David Daus. Again now to Kahayon. Kahayon number 18. Binato kagad kay Arroyo. Arroyo. Kick pass kay David. Dando namin nagbabantay. Uy! 3-second violation called by the referee on the cabin line. Substitution made now for...
Dadalhin natin yung player dito para alam ko kung kasi ito sa senyas ng sub kasi hindi ko nakikita.
Okay, substitution now.
Kasi hindi ko nakikita eh.
Substitution, Seror.
Pasok po tayo, dito po tayo, lalapit po tayo. Mamaya hindi ko kayo papalitan ha. Sige.
Garcia in,
Nakikita ko
Seror
po sino
out.
papalit. Sige, pasok po sir, pasok.
Sa kabila po, sino? Real in, Rovila in, number 10 out. At sino sa Tanggol out. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Ito po tayo.
Register po natin.
Ito muli po tayo. Ito na si Mr. Garcia to DMAC number 100. 100% DMAC. Trying to stop him but no foul called.
88. Third personal foul.
Third personal foul number.
88.
Number 88, third personal foul already. DMAC for 3, no good. Number 38 po naka-rebound now kay Manlangit. Nandun si Pilaw. Pilaw to di makulangan. Wala. No foul call. Manlangit again to Kahayon. Kahayon number 18. Kahayon. No, in and out. In and out. Okay, again, Pilaw to Mr. Garcia. Garcia dribbling the ball. Kumat, si Di Makulangan, sorry. Of course, si Manlangit. Foul call. Number 16, Garcia called for the foul.
Sige, Diyos. Maganda, sab. Good.
Okay, tangin na
16. Second.
16, Garcia, Hub, second personal foul. Real, Arroyo, fumbled. Against Stan, Arroyo, power move, naipit ang konti. Manlangit, Real. Kick pass, DMAC, mag-isa. Eto na naman siya. Di Makulangan, 2 points. Real again, Real, foul call. Tumama sa ulo.
Wala pa. Warning.
Okay. Warning for penalty ball team The Hub.
First personal foul.
First personal foul.
14 seconds.
48 seconds remaining. Kick pass kay number 88 ang bola. And to Mr. Kahayon, number 18. Ayun, number 88. Foul again. Penalty situation.
14.
Penalty situation. Team Hub,
Second
number
personal foul.
14. Second personal foul, team penalty.
Penalty.
The score right now is
50-39.
50-39 in favor of The Hub. Rovila. Pasok.
Penalty.
Second shot, Rovila. Jumper shell. Di po tayo. Second shot, Rovila. Jumper shell. Di po tayo. Pops up. No. Rebound battle won by the red shirts. Wala pa rin. Arroyo. The Marooners. Wala pa rin. Same ball. And ikaw ang tinuro. Balik po sa Hub ang
24
bola.
seconds.
24 seconds remaining.
10-point lead.
10-point lead advantage only by the Hub. Dapat ba Hub, diba? Okay, DMAC taking out the last shot.
20.
DMAC taking the last shot already. Number 16.
14.
Ayan na. DMAC, mag-isa, DMAC. Power move. And one play made by DMAC.
All number 10. Oh.
Foul number 10, Real.
Number 10, first personal foul.
First personal foul.
Penalty.
Penalty situation, Team Cabin Line.
5 seconds.
5 seconds remaining. Tulut. Oy! Early entry. Balik po sa cabin ng bola. Huha! Yun na yan.
5 seconds.
Real, naipit.
2 seconds.
2 seconds remaining. Huha!
2 seconds.
Ayun, sound effect ko, hindi nagtutuloy ah. Ayan na, wala na. Okay, that concludes now our third quarter action. Still, lamang pa rin po ang The Hub. The score is
52-42.
52-42. A 10-point advantage po ng Team The Hub. Dave Perit is watching. Jonas Manapat is watching. Fourth and final quarter now coming up.
Hey, abi tayo, abi.
Bola daw po ng Team B. Maroon ball. Balik po tayo po sa ating grupo ngayon. Final quarter now, starting away. Okay, white ball sabi. White ball, Team Hub. Bola po ng Hub.
Eh tayo, kanin tayo sa third quarter eh. Abi tayo. Ay, tayo eh.
Correction, cabin line ball. Cabin line ball. Bola po ng kabina. Cabin line ball po tayo. The Marooners po tayo. Marooners.
Wait.
Tingnan natin.
Ano tayo dito sa B? Sorry, sa B. Tama din ako sa B. Kanina third. Eh, tama sa inyo. Galing kanina sa third quarter.
May jump ball.
Wala man jumble.
May jumble.
May isa lang, walang jumble sa B. B tayo, white!
Okay, final po tayo ito. White na po ha. Final na po ito. Final na.
Sorry,
Promise.
white. Mistake.
Promise, final po ito. White ball po kami.
White tayo. Halika. Halika, para meron kayong proof niya. Para maliwanag yung sinasabi ko.
Okay, Patsy.
Third quarter sa inyo. Fourth quarter sa akin.
Alam ko na po nito, pitanong mo pa kita. Alam niya, ako nag-involve sa kanya. Ako nag-involve sa kanya. Hindi, kasi sabi niya, nag-jumble.
Eh nga, may jumble dito kanina. Mayroong mga jumble na nangyari.
Okay, balik muli po tayo po. Bola po ng The Hub ha. White ball po tayo. Bola po ng The Hub. Tirona for the inbound to San Miguel. Number 7. Number 7, San Miguel. Number 7. Haras po ni Kahayon. Number 7, kick pass kay Eusebio. Eusebio driving strong. No good. Tirona out of bounds for the cabin line. Cabin line ball. Bola po ng kabina.
Sorry naman, no?
Cabin line now. Tanggol, Mr. Tanggol. Tanggol. To Simbulas. Number 18, Simbulas again. Simbulas, Kahayon, position. Kahayon, driving strong. Lost the ball. Foul call.
Okay. Happy.
Foul number 18, Kahayon.
18, third personal foul.
Third personal foul, Kahayon. Third personal foul. Thank you very much po tayo. Now, San Miguel, number 7. Nandun po, driving strong, lost the ball. Same ball.
13 to shoot.
13 seconds remaining to shot clock po ng The Hub. Iba talaga may pinagsamaan pag nandiyan si San Miguel. Oh, siyempre, sarap yun. Yan. Balik muli po tayo. Eto na po tayo. Inbounding po si Tirona. Tirona, kick pass ni San Miguel. Number 7. San Miguel. Uy!
10!
Dumulas ang konti. 2 points. Tumama. Sub. Tumama yun yung hita. Tumama yung hita. Okay. Back to the ball game muli po tayo yun. That's David. David, binababa ang bola. Number 10, Natok Tanggol. Ang tagapagtanggol sa Tanggol. Tanggol, number 7. Tanggol. Kick pass to Kahayong. Tanggol again. David pops up for 3. Bangs it in. Same spot. 3 points.
Wala nga yan, malapit siya.
Pang-ilan na yan. That's a fourth 3-point attempt. Successful 3-point attempt by David. Now Tanggol. And one play made. Basket made po tayo. Foul on number 13 for sure.
Yeah.
That's Serda.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul, number 13, Serda. Team Hub.
Sabga?
Tanggol, number 7. Bonus free throw. Pops up. Pasok. And substitution made now. Of course, D-Mac papasok na para kay number 8. D-Mac, double team, Terona, hinaharas, Serda, Eusebio, kumuha ng bola. D-Mac, ulangan.
10!
D-Mac driving strong. 2 points, D-Mac. Di ba kulangan 2 points? Di ba kulangan 2 points? Number 16, Simbulas. Kick pass na naman kay David. David thinking 3, wag mo na raw. Nandun pala si Kahayong. Kahayong naman tumingin po ng 3. Pasok ang bola. Kahayong, 3 points. Ilan si Kahayong? 3 points yun. Apat din. Successful steal by Kahayong. Kahayong, wala. Rebound by De Padua. Nandun si Terona, securing the ball. Terona, kick pass kay De Padua. Mr. Di Makulangan, 2 points. Time out called by the cabin line. Time out po, cabin line. Time out po, cabin line. The score right now is
49-58.
the score right is 49-58.
Yan na ang timeout nyo, coach.
9-point lead advantage still enjoyed by Team Hub over cabin line, the Marooners.
Ready?
Okay, back to the ball game. Po tayo back to the ball game. Time remaining now is
6:34.
6 minutes 34 seconds remaining po sa ating fourth and final quarter. Mukha yatang abutin tayo ng madaling araw po dito. Maraming salamat po. Magaganda po kasi po ang ating mga laro po kanina. Mag-double overtime po ang Team In-Flights at Team ALU. And in winner po ang Team AU. Of course, sumunod din po ang Oryx. Winning over the Tour Towers. And now, we're here right now po. The Hub versus Cabin Line. Kahayong, kick pass, Tanggol. Foul called.
16.
Number 16, Garcia called for the foul.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul on Garcia. Hub. Kahayon. Ito na naman. Nag-drive naman siya ngayon. Dank shot made. No good.
Foul number 1.
Who's foul rep? Who's foul number 1, Eusebio.
Personal foul.
First person foul. Balik na po si Najib for Eusebio. And David, number 10, shooting for 2. Wala.
Sala, pre, sala.
Second shot on David. Jumper ready po tayo po for both teams. Pops up. Pasok. Point on David. Garcia. Nagbababa ng bola. Garcia, binababa ang bola ni Garcia.
6 minutes.
6 minutes remaining. And D-Mac naman. D-Mac. Oy, backing. Hindi po.
50-69.
50-69 po tayo.
50-58 pala, sorry.
58 ha.
50-58, sorry.
50-58 po tayo. An 8 lead advantage still enjoyed by the Hub.
Patay.
Kahayong for 3. Go!
Nice.
Hindi na kontrol ng bola.
Isa pa.
Okay, Garcia, number 26 for the inbound, ang cabin line. Kumat si Tanggol. Tanggol! Wala. Rebound, Tirona! Elbow situation.
Natin.
Jump ball. A.
Team A.
Natin.
Okay, same ball daw, sabi ng
14 to
referee.
shoot. 14.
Okay, cabin line again. Cabin line for the inbound. Kick pass. Tanggol. Ayun, si David na naman! Bang! Sinin!
Buka!
Same spot, same place, same
result.
angle. Uy, foul called. Number 10 called for a foul.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul on number 10. Pangatlo ka na, boss. Di makulangan. Eto na po tayo, Tirona. Traveling violation called ng Tirona. Yun na yung triple ni David. Pakicheck. Triple ni David, nakain na. Oh. 5. Ba? Mukha yata nga. David again for 3. Pops up. No good. Nagalaw ng konti.
Up.
Okay, sub po tayo. Ano nangyari?
Technical.
Technical foul on?
84.
Number 84, Arroyo, called for the technical. Why?
Continuous complaining.
Excessive complaining on slap on number 84. D-Mac shooting for the technical free throw. It's out. Balik pa rin po sa dahabang bola.
Good job.
Garcia, number 16 ang dab for inbounding. Kick pass, kick pilaw. Di makulangan. Foul call.
Second personal foul, 84.
Double foul slap on Arroyo and Najib.
14 third.
D-Mac na naman. D-Mac, uy! Grabe ng direction call on D-Mac. Tok. Binababa ni Tanggol ang bola. Tanggol bring on the ball. And now to Kahayon. Eto, nagbabantay, nag-aantay si David sa bola. Kahayon for 3. Bang! Si Din. Kahayon 3 points. Number 18, Kahayon. And to di makulangan, di makaupo. Number 18 called for the foul. Di makulangan, 2 shots given.
Apat na yan apat.
Number 18, 4 personal fouls. Kahayon warning for graduate. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot, di makulangan, 100. Jumpers ready.
Shotty.
Wala. Rebound by Arroyo. Nandun si D-Mac. D-Mac na naman. Hard foul. Pero pumasok. Basket made on di makulangan.
Number 10, foul.
Foul on David, number 10.
Number 10. Apat.
Number 10, 4 personal fouls. Warning for graduate.
Dalawa yung 10 tsaka 18 parehas, apat.
Okay, 10-18 ha. Game reset po na, 10-18.
Para alam
4
nyo.
personal fouls, both. Foul call.
Penalty.
Okay, penalty situation now.
84. Sub.
Substitution.
84,
Real
tatlo.
out. Colanto in.
Penalty.
Penalty situation, team cabin line. 3:28 remaining. Najib, first shot, wala. Second shot, Najib, jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Polanto, tanggol, nagmamadali. Tanggol, pinagtatanggol ang bola. Tanggol, Arroyo. David, mo posisyon na naman. Tanggol, driving strong. Wala. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Di makulangan. Number 16, Garcia. Di makulangan. Sa ilalim. Tan, 2 points Tan over Polanco. Ayan na. Kahayon. Nando, nice stop out. Score natin po.
63-56.
63-56 in favor still by the Hub. A 7-point advantage only by the Hub. Eto po tayong tanggol, binababa ang bola, ayan, Arroyo, no good, take 2. Number 14, Najib, go for the foul.
14, 4.
Number 14, Najib, warning for grounded 4 personal fouls. Arroyo, number 84. De Padua, labas ka muna, sabi doon nila.
Ilan pa tayo mo?
Isa na lang.
1 time out remaining po para po sa team cabin line. Arroyo, di pumasok. Naked second shot po tayo, jumper Shelly for team cabin line. Second shot ni Arroyo. Pops up. Good shot. Pumasok po. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Ito na po tayo ngayon, the Hub. Hub, binababa ang bola. Hub, ayun na. Tan, De Padua, 2 points and 1 play pang binigay.
7 foul. Number 7, third personal foul.
Number 7, Tanggol, third personal foul. Pangatlo na ni Tanggol. De Padua, 28, shooting for 2. 65-57 at 8-point advantage still enjoyed by the Hub.
2 minutes and 24.
2:24 remaining. Wala, hindi pumasok. Balik muli po tayo. Ito na. Tanggol, binababa ang bola. Tanggol. David, nag-aantay na. David for 3. Foul, take 3. Foul.
Foul number 18.
Number 18 called for the foul. That's
First
Pilao.
personal foul.
Una pa lang yan ni Pilao. Number 8, number 10, David. Shooting for 3. First shot. Out. Second shot ni David. Pasok. Last shot ni David. Last shot ni David.
Last shot.
Last shot. Pops up. Basket.
Stop.
Okay.
59.
Substitution muna po tayo. Okay, 25 time. Pasok muna para kay Terona. 16 labas muna para kay San Miguel.
2 minutes and 11.
Ha?
2 minutes and 11.
2 minutes 11 seconds remaining. Di makulangan. To Mr. Yun na nangawan.
Last 2 minutes.
Tanggol na naman. Tanggol. Pops up. Wala. Nando si Tanggol. Labas muna. Oy! Sayang.
1 minute and 50.
1 minute and 50 remaining. Pilao, nagmamadali. Pilao. Uy! Still completed. Again, David. No good. Rebound, Tanggol na walang bola. Kahayon, kick pass kay David naman. David.
Time to shoot.
David, pops up. Tanggol mag-isa. Polanto fighting for the ball.
Time to shoot.
Di makulangan. De Padua. Tirona lost the ball again. Same
1
goal.
minute and 20.
1 minute and 20 remaining. Time out now called by the Hub.
Ila.
Ano game reset, boss? Ano ilang time out remaining na lang? Ano lang?
Tag-isa. Both teams.
Both teams po, 1 timeout remaining, 1 timeout sa cabin line, and 1 timeout sa the Hub. Game reset also, David and Kahayon for personal fouls. Warning for graduate.
Back to the ball game.
And back to the ball game ulit po tayo sa kabilang. Sino ang warning for graduate dito sa the Hub? Najib. That's Najib po. Sa Hub naman si Najib po, warning for graduate din po sa the Hub. Maverick, kung 4 ang overtime first game yan, aabot ako. Okay. Time remaining.
1 minute and 20.
1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. Final quarter. Fourth and final quarter. Binababa ngayon po ulit Tanggol ang bola. Tanggol driving the ball. Tanggol ayong kay Kahayon. Kahayon, no, it's Arroyo. Arroyo, foul call.
Both teams. I told you, both teams.
Both
Penalty.
teams, penalty situation. De Padua called for the foul.
28, no? 28.
De Padua, De Padua.
Second.
Second personal foul on De Padua.
Both teams.
Both teams, penalty situation. Arroyo, first shot. Pasok. Second shot, jumper shot. Ready po tayo. Gagawin sa pad si Colanto. Nice shoes.
1 minute and 5 seconds.
Jordans. Arroyo. No good. Rebound de Padua. Kick pass kay Pilao. Nandun si David nag-aantay. And red ball. Red ball. Sabi ng referee, it's maroon ball. Marooners.
55 seconds.
Bola pa ng Marooners. Uy, butik na. Tanggol. Kahayon, thinking 3. Wag mo na raw.
30 seconds.
Kick pass kay David, the 3-point master. Palpal na naman.
40.
Good ball. Still completed to Tirona. 2 points Tirona. Timeout now on the cabin line. Cabin line, wala na pong timeout. 1 timeout remaining po sa the Hub. The score right now is
67-60.
67-60. Lamang po ng 7 ang the Hub. Time remaining
30 seconds.
30 seconds remaining. Fourth and final quarter.
Back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Final 30 seconds na po tayo po sa fourth and final quarter. May pag-asa pa yan. May 2 birador po ang team cabin line. May mga bala pa yan kahit papano. Ayos lang. Kasi
30 seconds 30
number
seconds.
7, of course, si Kahayon, binabantay na rin po. Kahayon receiving the ball. Okay, Tanggol ang tagapagtanggol. Pinapasok ang bola. David. Kahayon for 3. Kapos. Tanggol kay David. Nando si Timakulangan. Tirona, okay, wala na. I think so. Okay, nice game po. Good game po. Winner! Final score po natin po is
67-60.
67-60. Winner by 7 points, Team Gahab. Maraming salamat po. At bukas po tayo po. Balik ulit po tayo po for sa ating Saturday edition po ng Aviation Friendly Dab Us the Flying League. Maraming salamat po.
Oo, tapos 20 pa po. Pencil.
Idol, salamat. Idol.
Saka 100. Nice game.
Thank you very much po ha. Boss game po tayo.